unusual natural remedies that can help you achieve your goals. Remember, I'm all about a holistic approach to health, so we're not just focusing on quick fixes. We're talking about incorporating these natural ingredients into your lifestyle for long-term benefits. So, if you're ready to learn how to fight belly fat the natural way, hit that like button and let's get started. You know I love talking about gut health, and apple cider vinegar is a real MVP. It's not just for salad dressings. This stuff can actually help reduce belly fat because of the acetic acid it contains. Acetic acid is a natural appetite suppressant, and it also helps to improve your metabolism. A faster metabolism means you're burning calories more efficiently throughout the day, even when you're just relaxing. Now, I'm not saying to go chugging apple cider vinegar straight. That's a recipe for a stomachache. Instead, try mixing a tablespoon or two with warm water and a bit of honey in the morning. Let's talk about green tea, the beverage of choice for health enthusiasts everywhere, and for good reason. It's packed with antioxidants, which are like little superheroes fighting off cell damage in your body. But here's the kicker. Green tea also contains these compounds called catechins, and they're known for their fat-burning abilities. Studies have shown that catechins can help boost your metabolism and even target that stubborn belly fat directly. So ditch the sugary drinks and make green tea your new go-to. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and if you want to add a little extra flavor, try squeezing in some fresh lemon juice. Ginger isn't just for spicing up your stir-fries. It's a digestive dynamo that can seriously help with bloating and inflammation. See, ginger has these amazing anti-inflammatory properties that can calm down your gut and reduce any swelling. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger can also give your metabolism a natural boost, helping your body burn calories more effectively. Incorporate more ginger into your diet by adding it to smoothies, teas, or even your cooking. 4. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is like giving your body a refreshing internal shower. Lemon water is incredibly detoxifying, helping to flush out toxins and get things moving in your digestive system. But there's more. Lemons are a surprisingly good source of vitamin C, which plays a key role in fat metabolism. Plus, the citric acid in lemons can help increase your metabolism, giving you an extra boost in your fight against belly fat. 5. I know some people might be surprised to see garlic on this list, but trust me on this one. Garlic has these incredible anti-obesity properties, meaning it can actually help you shed those extra pounds. How does it work? Well, garlic contains compounds that can increase your metabolism and even reduce your appetite. So not only are you burning calories more efficiently, but you're also less likely to overeat. Plus, garlic adds a delicious flavor punch to any dish, so load up on this aromatic bulb. 6. We all know aloe vera for its soothing properties on sunburns. But did you know it can also work wonders for your gut health? Aloe vera juice can help reduce belly fat by improving your digestion and detoxifying your body. It's like a gentle cleanse for your insides, helping everything run smoothly. Just make sure to buy pure aloe vera juice without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. 7. Cinnamon, the blood sugar balancer. Cinnamon is a spice rack superstar, and not just because it makes everything taste like a warm hug. You see, cinnamon can actually help regulate your blood sugar levels, which is key for preventing those energy crashes that lead to cravings and overeating. Stable blood sugar also means your body is less likely to store fat, especially around your midsection. So, sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal, yogurt, or even in your coffee for a delicious and healthy boost. 8. Turmeric, the golden spice for gut health. Turmeric is having a real moment in the wellness world, and it's easy to see why. This golden spice is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic choice for soothing your gut and reducing bloating. But turmeric also plays a role in boosting your metabolism and helping your body break down fat more effectively. 9. Chia seeds. Tiny seeds. Big results. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. These little guys are packed with fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. When you're not constantly battling cravings, it becomes much easier to manage your calorie intake and lose belly fat. Plus, chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, further contributing to that feeling of fullness. 10. Coconut oil, the metabolism-boosting fat. I know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't fat the enemy when it comes to losing belly fat? Not necessarily. Coconut oil contains a unique type of fat called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which your body metabolizes differently than other fats. MCTs are absorbed quickly and used for energy rather than being stored as fat. Plus, coconut oil can help curb your appetite and keep you feeling satisfied. So, start shrinking that belly fat. There you have it, 10 unusual natural remedies to help you win the fight against belly fat. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try incorporating these remedies into your daily routine and see what a difference they can make. As always, I encourage you to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be looking for natural ways to slim down. For more health and wellness tips, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.